Endometrial ablations are procedures done that destroy the lining of your uterus. And so this is usually offered as an option to people who have had abnormal bleeding patterns, either large flow or lots of periods throughout the month. They have dysfunctional bleeding, and this usually helps. But up to half of women after they've had the procedure still continue to have periods, but they're usually lighter and more predictable and easier to manage than they were before the procedure. So you mentioned that you are still having bleeding after having an ablation done earlier this year. And if it's bothersome to you, it would be best to talk with your doctor, because sometimes the procedure needs to be repeated in order to actually accomplish the goal. And the doctor can talk with you more specifically about your observations and your cycles and decide if further investigation or treatments are warranted. If you have any other questions for me, though, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.